In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove the background from an image in Inkscape. If you're working with logos, graphics, product images, or thumbnails, and you want a clean, transparent background, Inkscape gives you a powerful way to do this completely for free. The best part is that once you understand the simple clipping method I'm about to show you, you can remove backgrounds from almost any image quickly and accurately. So if that sounds useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. The first step is importing your image into Inkscape. Open Inkscape and go to File, then click Import. Now choose the image you want to work with. This can be a JPEG or a PNG file. Once you select the file, click Open, and then confirm the import settings if a dialog box appears. Your image will now appear on the canvas inside Inkscape. Next, we're going to trace around the object that we want to keep while removing the background. For this, select the Bezier Curves tool from the toolbar on the left side. You can also quickly activate it using the keyboard shortcut B. After selecting the Bezier tool, look at the top toolbar and make sure the mode is set to create a sequence of straight line segments. This allows you to click around your object and create a precise outline. Now start clicking around the edges of the object you want to keep. For example, if you're isolating a logo, a product, or a shape like a star, carefully place points around the outer edge. Each click places a point and creates a line segment between them. If your object has complex curves or detailed edges, you can simply add more points to make the outline smoother and more accurate. Take your time with this step because the quality of your outline determines how clean your final background removal will look. Continue clicking around the entire object until you return to the starting point. Once you click back on the first point, the shape will close and you'll have a complete outline around your object. This outline will act as the clipping mask that removes the background. After creating the outline, we now need to apply the clipping process. First, switch to the Select tool. You can do this by pressing S on your keyboard or pressing F1. Now click on the shape you just created so it becomes selected. Next, hold down the Shift key and click on the original image underneath it. At this point, both the outline shape and the image should be selected together. With both items selected, go to the top menu and click Object. From the drop-down menu, choose Clip, and then click Set Clip. As soon as you do this, Inkscape will use the shape you created as a mask. Everything outside that shape will instantly disappear, leaving only the object inside your outline visible. This effectively removes the background from the image. If you ever need to adjust the clip later, you can go back to Object, Clip, and choose Release to undo it and make changes to the outline. Now that the background has been removed, the final step is exporting the image with transparency, so the background stays invisible when you use the file elsewhere. To do this, open the Export panel by pressing Ctrl and Shift and E on your keyboard. This opens the export settings on the right side of the screen. In the Export panel, look toward the bottom where you'll see the background color option. Click on that color swatch to open the background settings. Inside this option, you'll see a value labeled A, which stands for alpha. Alpha controls the transparency level of the background. Set the alpha value to 0. When the alpha channel is set to 0, the background becomes fully transparent. This is very important because if the alpha value is higher, the background might export with a color instead of transparency. After confirming the background transparency, choose PNG as your export format. PNG files support transparent backgrounds, which makes them perfect for logos, graphics, overlays, and thumbnails. Avoid exporting as JPEG because JPEG files do not support transparency, and the background will be filled in with a solid color. Once everything looks correct, click Export and choose where you want to save the file on your computer. Your image will now export with a transparent background, ready to use in designs, videos, presentations, or websites. And that's it. That's exactly how to remove the background from an image in Inkscape using the clipping method and export it with full transparency. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.